Okay, I'm gonna try that glitch that I did before. I've done it again, and I found something weird. So, make a crystal, jump up, and oh. Oh my god, that didn't work. Doing that just gets you around there. Nothing special. There we go. See that? Okay. And come over here. High jump. Then glide in here. I'm gonna be on top of this room. Now, there's not really much you can do here. But there is one thing I find really weird. I call it the mysterious red box. Now what you want to do is aim for these two green building things and just keep gliding to them as far as you possibly can. I have never been able to get to them. To it. Someone can, please help me. It's solid because you can shoot it. Here, I'll bring out my duels. You can shoot it with your guns, so it must be solid. So you might be able to stand on it. See it? That red box right there? Weird. There's two of them on this level. When you fall through the level, you'll see another one too. So watch. They break when they hit it, so it's solid. Here's another one. I'm at the end of the level where you start getting chased by that ship. Come over here to the teleporter. Go like this, and it'll shoot you up. And then you're on the middle of nowhere. So, yeah. Alright, this is in Dream World. I'm at the part where you're at kind of like Clank's house in the dream thing. So, yeah, make a crystal anywhere really. It's not that hard to get up. Oh yeah, I don't have Clank. Wow, that's so retarded. Okay, go up here, jump up like that, jump up again, put down another crystal, and jump up again. Now you're on top of Clank's house. Congratulations. Yay. And then I think you can... Wait. Oh. Alright, well, that's basically it. Go ahead and experiment if you need to. Okay, we are in the last room with the red button, as you can see here. Button. Okay, come on over here. And get on this corner. And you should start just like standing there. Start jumping up. And you'll get up here. And then land. You can land on top of these pipes. Not that great, but hey, it's a glitch. Gotta put it in there. So, and you can go all the way across to there and stuff. Okay, we're at the treehouse. If you can see. Yeah, treehouse. Alright. Climb up the stair ladder. We all love to find. Okay, come over here to this lonely garden lock. I put crystal down. I do what Hazard does, and as he says, double up. And glide over here. And land like on this metal railing, and you'll start getting pushed up. And then get up. Yeah, not that useful really. Jumping up there just results in falling off. But you can stand up here. Standing is pretty cool. Here's another one. Get up on the fence. Oops. Get on that. Jump up. And then you'll start doing a slow-mo thing. It's like, this is like the animation of you doing your hyper strike. And you keep doing this animation forever. You won't die up here, but when you fall off of the tank, you'll come down as fast as you're doing a hyper strike. Like that. And you'll even do this. Crystal.